Today, this is part 1 of how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube. So I have my Rubik's Cube here, and I need to get a flower here. In order for that, I need to have one white here, which I already do, a white here, here, and here. But I already have one right here. So then look around to see where the white is. To start here, I can just go up, and now I have that. Next, I found this, so I can just turn it up like this. Oh, wrong. Nope, never mind. Well, I have one at the bottom, so I'm going to turn the bottom. Now I have white here. Should I flip this to here? I can. The next step, get this white to here, where the orange is. So I'm gonna turn it once, then turn it like this. So then it looks like this. And then up, have a flower. Next step, the red is here. Find the red, put the red here, then turn it upside down. So then that white is currently on the bottom. Then same for green. Green, find the greens here, flip it upside down. Same for the orange here, upside down. So it should look like this. And turn the blue till I have the blue upside down. And then this is what I have on the white side. So now there's a trigger move that you do. So the white's here. Look to the opposite side of that. There's blue. Turn the blue to match the blue side here. Then right here is the white. So then I'm gonna have the blue facing me. And then I'm gonna go up, over, down, and then I have more. Now I just need one here and one that's here. So white's on the bottom still. Then I can't do anything that doesn't help here. So I'm gonna go up, over, then down. But then I still have blue here. So I'm gonna turn it till I get blue here. Then I'm gonna run a trigger again, up, over, down. So now I have an extra orange. So I have orange here. Then I put the white, matches with orange here. So then I'm gonna run the trigger on my left hand. Up, over, down. Then we have one more, the top one. So then up, over, down. Wait, now there's a blue one. And if it's messed up, it's fine. So now you're gonna, because then that's how you can solve it there. So then blue's matched up, then white here. Run the trigger again. Up, over, down. One more. It's on the top. So then up, over, down. Then I have a red, match the red up, do the trigger, up, over, down. Now the white's here on top again. So I'm going to run a trigger, up, over, an extra over, down, then white's here, red, turn it to the red here so it looks like this, then run the trigger, up, over, down, and then I have the red one here, turn it towards the red one, then run the trigger, up, over, down. Now you have the white side, and you should have all green, like all blue here, all orange on the bottom here, all green here, all blue here, and then so on the bottom, and then have the white solved. Next step will be in part 2 of solving the 3x3 Rubik's Cube.